Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation on the Bogust M5 Pro electric scooter. Today, we will be taking a closer look at this amazing foldable electric scooter that offers incredible features and performance. At the heart of the Bogust M5 Pro is a powerful 500W motor, providing you with a top speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. This means you can zip around town with ease and reach your destination in no time. Whether you're commuting to work or simply exploring the city, the M5 Pro's speed and agility will surely impress. One standout feature of this electric scooter is its 12-inch pneumatic tires. These larger wheels provide a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven surfaces. You won't have to worry about bumps and vibrations, as the M5 Pro handles them effortlessly. Plus, the e-scooter is equipped with high-brightness LED lights for front lighting, plus horn reminder plus tail light with warning light, flashing at night, making night riding safer. The Bogust M5 Pro is equipped with a 48V11A battery, which is powered by a smart battery management system. This system helps optimize the scooter's energy usage, extending its range and ensuring efficient performance. With a range of 30 to 35 kilometers on a single charge, you can confidently explore your surroundings without worrying about running out of power. In terms of comfort, the M5 Pro offers a comfortable and adjustable seat. You can choose to sit or stand while riding, depending on your preference and comfort level. The scooter also features a reliable disc brake system, providing precise braking control and enhancing safety. Moreover, the M5 Pro is designed with portability in mind. It has a convenient folding mechanism that allows you to easily fold and unfold the scooter within seconds. This makes it incredibly easy to carry and store, whether you're taking it on public transportation or storing it in your apartment. To sum it up, the Bogust M5 Pro electric scooter is a powerful and versatile mode of transportation. With its impressive speed, comfortable ride, and convenient folding design, it's a great choice for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. So why wait? Experience the thrill of electric scooter riding with the Bogust M5 Pro. Thank you for watching this video presentation. If you have any questions or would like to know more about the Bogust M5 Pro, please feel free to reach out to us. Happy riding!